Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will be solving a paper and this is IGCSE or it is O levels computers paper and this is paper 1 related to theory. So let's go to question number 1. It says different file types are given here and we need to identify which of them are matching. So text file, let's see, JPEG, MP3, MP4.txt. So the extension of the text file, it should be .txt. Next is image file. And let's look again to the list, JPEG, MP3, MP4. So the right one should be, yes, .jpeg. This is an image, the extension of the image file. Next is audio file. So we can have JPEG, MP3, MP4, .txt and the right one is yes, of course, .mp3. Very good. And the last one is video file, which is MP4. Jamila wants to store an image file. The image has an 8-bit resolution and is 150 pixels by 800 pixels in size. So here we need to make calculations of 150, this is one dimension of the picture, and 100, that is the second dimension. Suppose this is the picture, so 100 pixels multiplied by 100, these are the two dimensions, and since it is 8-bit resolution, so multiply by 8. Whatever we get, that will be the number of pixels and the number of bits. 150 multiplied by 100, that is 15,000. That these are the number of pixels. When you multiply them by 8, you get 120,000 number of bits. And then in order to convert them into megabytes, number of bytes, we need to divide this again by 8. So once again you will be left with 15,000, and then from bytes to kilobyte, divide that by 1000. Exactly, that is 1024, but in order to make it simple, you are allowed to divide that by 1000 also. So you will get 15,000 divided by 1000, you'll get 15. And in order to convert that into megabyte, you can further divide that by 1000, but in this case you are required to get the answer in kilobyte, so 15 will be the answer. So I hope you understood this. 100 multiplied by 150, that is 15,000, multiply by 8 to get the number of bits, and divide by 8 to get number of bytes, and then divide by 1000 to get kilobyte. So the answer is 15 kilobyte.